Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be learning about cube roots of perfect cubes. Now before we actually find and go towards the method of finding the cube roots of perfect cube, let's see what do you mean by cubes and cube roots. So cubes in simple words is nothing but when a number gets multiplied by itself twice, we get a cube of that particular number, and the cube root is just an inverse of that. So let's see how. Now suppose I am having 2 and I'm going to find the cube of 2. So I will write 2 here 3 times and then I'll multiply. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Then let's just say 3 cube. So I will have 3, I'll write 3 times and then I'll simply multiply. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Let's see 4. So I'll write 4 3 times and then 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So with this you can conclude 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64. So if somebody will ask you that what is the cube root of 8, so it will be 2. What is the cube root of 27? So it's 3. What is the cube root of 64? So it's 4. So it's a vice versa. Okay, it's very easy, very simple and quickly to get the answer. Now, let's move ahead. What I have done over here, I have listed down all the cubes from 1 to 10 for easygoing. So now I have listed down all the cubes from 1 to 10. Now these cubes, I would suggest all the students to memorize them thoroughly. Why? Because these cubes, only these 1 to 10 cubes will help you get the cube roots of all the bigger numbers in few seconds. But the need is you should know the cube roots and the cubes from 1 to 10 thoroughly. This is really gonna help you out in finding the cube roots of larger digits. Okay, now over here from this table we have to take down few important points over here. So what I'm doing, I am just underlining the last digits of cubes and its cube roots. So here 1 1 2 8 3 7 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 3 8 2 9 9 0 0. Only the last digits I have underlined. Now with this what we can conclude, or else I'll write here at one side 1 with 1, 2 with 8, 3 with 7, 4 ends with 4, 5 ends with 5, 6 ends with 6, 7 with 3, 8 with 2, 9 with 9 and 0 with 0. So with this what we can conclude is that most of the cubes are ending as the same digits of their cube roots, right? But except this and this. So with this what we can say, now suppose if your cube is ending at 2, so its cube root will end at 2. If cube is ending at 7, so its cube root will end at 3. If a cube is ending at 3, so its cube roots will end at 7. If a cube is ending at 2, So its cube root will end at 8. Just this you have to, keep in mind, and the rest are very easy. They are ending at the same digits only. Okay. Now with this information, we will be able to get the answers or get the cube roots of larger digits in few seconds, but the need is practice. So now let's see ahead. So what we know till now, with this what we have concluded, if a cube is ending at, I'll write here, if a cube is ending at 8, its cube root will end at 2. If a cube is ending at 7, its cube root will end at 3. If a cube is ending at 2, its cube roots will end at 8. If a cube is ending at 3, its cube root will end at 7. This is the most important thing you should know. Okay. Now let's move into examples, and I will show you how to find the cube's root of any particular larger digits in few seconds. So let's see example number 1. I am having a number 2, 8, 7, 4, 9, 6. Now I have to find the cube root of these bigger number. So if you'll go in a traditional way, what you will do, you can find it by using a prime factorization method, or you can find it by division method, but which will be a very, very, very long way of going. Now here I will show you in only one step how to get the answer of this cube root of this bigger digit. So step 1 is, no matter what the digit you are having with you, what you have to do, you have to, whenever a cube is given to you, you must put a slash before the last 3 digits of that particular number. Last 3 digits. So last 3 digits of this number for me is 496. So I'll put a slash. This is the most important step. What you have to do, you must put a slash before the last 3 digits. Okay. Now over here, if you will see, I have put a slash over the last 3 digits. So now the last digit of this is 6, is ending at 6. So I know for 6 it is 6. So my last, I'll put 6. Okay. Now second part of this, so I'm having 287. Now we have to see this 287 is coming in between which two digits. It's coming between which two cube numbers. So if I will see, it is coming between 216 and 343, right? 287 is coming between 216 and 343. Now what you will do, you will take the cube root of a smaller cube. The smaller cube is 216 and the cube root of 216 is 6. So I will write over here 6. And that's it. This is my answer. So 287496. The cube root of this digit is 66. That's it. This gives the final answer to me. Now let's take one more example. Very easy. Let's see, I'm having 2, 0, 5, 3, 7, 9. So first step is you have to put a slash before the last 3 digits. So last 3 digits are 3, 7, 9. I'll put a slash. Now for the right hand side, the last ending digit is 9. So my first digit of the cube root is 9. Now I will see 205. Now this 205 is between 125 and 216, that is between 5 and 6. So I will take a smaller number. So my smaller cube root is 5. So here I will write 5. So my final answer is 59. So 205379 cube root is 59. Let's take one more example. Very easy. Now this time I will take a 4-digit number so that it will be easier. Now 1728. So the first step is put a slash between the last 3 digits, right? Now last 3 digits I am having here with me. So the last digit, right hand side I will take last digit of this right hand side. Now I am having 8. Now we know that if last digit is 8, so it will end at 2. So I will write here 2, right? Its cube root will be 2 and 1. Now 1 is here, 1 cube. So I will write 1. That's it. This is my answer. Let's take one more example and a final example. So let's see, I am having a number 8 3 0 5 8 4. Okay, step number 1, put a slash before the last 3 digits. Now in the next step, the last 3 digits, after putting a slash before the last 3 digits, right hand side, it's ending at 4. So 4 के लिए it will end at 4 only. Okay. Now 830. Now I am having 830 with me. Now this 830 is coming in between 729 and 1000, that is between 9 and 10. So I will take a smaller digit. So smaller cube root is 9. So I will write over here 9. That's it. So my cube root of 830,584 is 94. Now here is a question for you all. So comment down below the cube root of 681,472. What is the cube root of this particular number? Do comment down below your answers. Happy learning. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.